Creating a bundle for buyer on Poshmark is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a bundle for buyer on Poshmark. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. Now, the first instructions are for the app. So first things first, open up the app and then simply go to your account tab. Now, after that, you simply have to select My Bundles and then switch to Sell tab. Now locate a bundle and then select View Bundle. Scroll down to find Add the user's name likes from my closest. Now under a listing image, select the bundle icon to add the item to the bundle. So that's how you will be able to do it on the app. However, you can do it on the website as well. For that, you simply have to visit Poshmark's website, which should be poshmark.com, and then select My Bundles at the top of any page. Now from the left hand menu, switch to Sell tab. Locate a bundle and select View Bundle. Find at the username like from my closet and then under a listing image, select the bundle icon to add the item to the bundle. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.